Bring it down slowly, watch the rebar. Easy, easy, hold it there. It's secured, stand clear.
We need that next girder positioned by column 4.
Copy that. Signaling the crane operator.
Watch it up there. Clear the area below. All right, set it down right here. How does this batch look for the road base?
It seems acceptable, good consistency and minimal dust.
Heads up, watch the load overhead. Bring it down slowly on the rebar stack. Swing it towards me slowly now. Make sure those supports are secure before they land it.
This section here concerns me. The rebar installation doesn't look compliant with the blueprints.
We double checked that this morning. It meets all specifications. I have the sign off right here.
Right there, hold it steady. All right, easy does it. All right, bring it up slow. Easy, easy. Watch the left side. Hold it right there. Steady pace, watch the guides. Coming through clean on this end, keep it moving. Keep it steady on the line. All right, watching it now, hold that pace. All right, crane, hold it right there. Truck 3, you are clear to roll out.
This is the correct position according to the grid line specifications.
All right. Verify the alignment with the piling machine operator before we sign off on the permit.
About 50 meters. The vibration is intense.
Push it down another meter.
Pressure's holding steady.
Watch the flow rate, it's increasing. There, start the rotation.
We are depth, slowing the rotation. All right, let's pull the sample now. Keep it steady. Holding it tight.
From the critical foundation stage using rotary drilling rigs for bored piles to structural concrete placement with rebar.
Ready to lift? Yeah, lift it up slowly.
Securing the connection now.
Bring the chute to the left. Hold it steady right there. Start the vibrator. Push that side towards the frame. We're good here, move the truck up. Need more mud right here.
These images illustrate the diverse machinery and methods used in civil engineering, ranging from the initial...
Lift it higher, watch the left side. Okay, hold it there while I tie this off. Keep moving back, watch the edge. We need more right here. We need more right here. Keep that vibrator moving, don't stop. Levels look good up here, keep it coming. All right, slow it down a bit. We're backing up here. Yeah, hold the flow steady now. Bring the pump over here. All right, hit it with the vibrator. Okay, bring the chute down slowly. Watch it on the left side, it's filling fast. I'm vibrating it now, keep it coming steady. Make sure it's spread evenly down there. Yeah, I'm tamping it now, looks good. All right, slow the pour down a bit. Keep spreading it, don't let it pile up. Leveling it out now. Watch the edge. Watch the edge. All right, move it slowly to the left. Hold it steady right there, keep it coming. Watch the edge, watch the edge. Keep it moving a little faster now. All right, I'm clearing the way over here. Higher on the boom, bring it this way. All right, watch the flow, move to section 3. All right, move the hose to the right. Hitting it with the vibe. Watch your step back there, keep it level.
We need 2 more bars tied down here.
Yeah. Bringing that lumber over now, watch your step. Bring the pump arm left, keep the flow steady. All right, hold it there, we're good on this section. Keep it moving, don't stop the flow. Vibrator on standby, moving up now. Keep the pressure on that float. We're getting high right here, push it down. Steady now, nice and smooth. Okay, pour's good, keep it coming. Move the screed up slowly. Torque that bolt. It's secure. Move to the next one.
Alignment is critical here. Verify the specs.
Verified. We are good to pour.
All right, signal the crane operator. Start the flow.